Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. And if your Jeep TJ is primitive like mine with a window crank, I'm going to show you a quick and dirty way on how to remove it. Now, the easiest way to remove the window crank is with this tool right here. Now, you can do it without. It just makes it a little bit more difficult, but I'm going to try to get the camera in there, but it's pretty hard to see. I'm trying to find a way, but you can, between this washer and the window crank is the pin. So the circular part is going this way, so the tool is going to have to go in this way, and the tool is going to have to go between the washer and there. Feed it through like that so it's lined up. I just pushed it forward, and now the crank should just come right off, washer and all. And that's what I was referring to, is that right there. And then you just slide that back down just as so. And then of course, when you're ready, put the washer back on, push it in, it'll snap, and there you go. Crank the window up and down. I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't want to waste time, just get to it.